So I'm just about ready to pull this toilet, and I had already started that, but I just want to show you the kind of quality tile work that was going on here. Downstairs I had no issue pulling up the tile, so I don't think I'm having any trouble up here either. So here we go. This should just pop right off. You see, this toilet has an extra big base. Yep, very interesting. Well, that makes it easy. One other thing I just wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see I put plywood here on the tub. One thing that always happens when you're doing construction is the tub gets scratched, and it's because tools, demo, dirt, pieces of hard, screws or something get in there and they get stepped on. So I always take and tape the top, put cardboard or something soft. In this case I used a piece of sheetrock and plywood, so now things in the tub aren't an issue. I'll probably get some cardboard on the side once I get. Okay, there we go. A little bit better, isn't it? They had this particle board underneath the tile, which actually was a good thing. Generally, the floor is held up. The seams aren't broken. I'll re-screw it, and we'll probably put something similar down. Now we use cement boards. My only concern is the height of that toilet flange. It looks like a good 1.5 inches. I don't know why it's sitting so high, but we'll figure that out. Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you, I've just started demoing the tub, and actually this is going quite well. Let me just turn around and show you it in regular mode. Hold on. They actually had a different kind of wallboard. So they already had cut, the other board started and stopped right where we're going to need to put our new wallboard. So basically all came right down. So you can see why I also wanted to protect that tub, all that crap going down in there. The other thing I'm wondering about, I really should change that valve. I'm going to call the plumber right now and see what he says. I hope tomorrow our tile starts, and I think I'm pretty much ready. Other than the one thing is the shower base. It had lots of cracks in it for some reason, and I sent it back. It's supposed to come probably Friday, but he's got the whole downstairs. He's got both rooms up here, the laundry and the bathroom, and I'll show you that now. I want to get this laundry room primed out before he puts this tile down. So we've got our hardy board down on the floor, and drywall is all set in here. I'm going to prime it up now, and that'll be all ready for him. And then into the bathroom, I think our last picture showed that I had demoed the tub. I've got the Wonder Board up on the sides, and I have it down on the floor. And the walls are ready, and just got to sand them out and do some priming on those as well. And then moving into our office, finally got all the sheetrock up in here. This was just kind of I'd work on it when I could kind of thing. So I kind of put some effort into that this morning. Made a little slight change here. I added a switch here because our desks will go here, because Lamont was talking about having a light. So we're going to do a recessed light up there. So he was able to work that out. Take you downstairs just to show you the great expanse. I ground the floor the other day. Maybe you can see those swirls down there from the grinder. But yeah, this is all cleaned out. I wanted to have this sanded and primed, but realize it probably doesn't matter. We're just going to cover the tile floor. I'll sand and paint and do all that after. That way I can rent a sander and do it all of it upstairs and everything all at the same time. So yeah, so we're right on on schedule for him. And like I said, down here was where the shower is supposed to go. But as soon as I get that, I'll get that all prepped out. Okay, that's where we're at today. Talk to you later. Good evening, everyone. It's a Friday evening around 7 o'clock, just after 7. And we're coming to the end of a week, though I think we're going to be working into the weekend, that's for sure. Tile guy's been here the past couple days, so made some good progress. I don't know if you can see here. I'm going to flip the camera around. You can see how this floor looks. He just left, and yesterday he did this half that I'm standing on, and then from that bucket over, he did the rest. So I think the focus tomorrow, he's going to work Saturday and Sunday, we'll be getting the bathroom floors done. So today I got this tub surround in. I don't know if you're not surround, but base. I sent back the other one that had a crack, so I got this in today. Got the wall board in, did some patch in there, and here's just this is what we're putting down. It's called a Carrera. Basically just kind of like a marble looking. So that'll go on the floor. It'll go on that whole back wall, and just there around where that Wonder Board is. So after this weekend, I'll check back with you and show you what's going on. All right, see ya.